Stop wasting gas when cooking rice. Do this next time. I'll start by prepping garlic in a mortar. Add 4 cloves, some salt, and mash it well. Remember, folks, the more crushed the garlic, the more flavor it adds to the dish. Now, let's grab our pot. Then add a drizzle of oil. Add our crushed garlic. Let's lightly saute the garlic until it starts to brown. Next, we'll add 2 cups of rice. Give it a quick stir to fry the rice nicely. After mixing well, now add 4 cups of water. It's just double the rice. Do it this way, you can't go wrong. Once that's done, let's stir again. Adjust the salt to your liking. Now, let's leave it until the water starts to boil. I added a bit more salt here. As I said, it's up to you. Now, cover and let it boil completely. About a minute, folks. Once the water boils, just turn off the heat, cover it again, and wait until the rice is fully cooked. Check it out, folks. The rice turns out amazing, super quick, easy, and delicious. In this stone pot, you can turn off the heat as soon as the water boils. The rice keeps cooking. Best part? It keeps the rice warm for about 3 hours afterwards. Guys, cooking rice this way saves gas and tastes fantastic. Give it a try. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. That's another quick tip from Pobre na Cocina, poor in the kitchen. Big hugs. See you next time, and thanks for watching.